Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you a couple of modules that I got from Aliexpress, but the main star in today's video will be this module that cost around $1 from Aliexpress. And what is it? It's a Type-C PD quick charge trigger from 5 volts to 20 volts dial code adjustment DC voltage power module. And I got this module a couple of months ago, but I'm gonna show you some other things that you can do with this module. And also I received a package with very interesting product inside, but that will be opened at the end of this video. And let's see what can do this guy. So the module supports input voltage from 4 volts to 22 volts, but the output voltage is maximum reduced to 20 volts and can handle 100 watts. And the product size of this module is 11 millimeters by 28 millimeters, and it have a dial switch so you can select your desired output voltage. We have type C input voltage, the dial switch, and the output voltage connector, that is this green thing. Yes, you can trigger your PD charger for your smartphone to give output voltage from 5 to 20 volts, maximum 100 watts. Let's try it. Here it is, my quick charge PD charger that can deliver maximum 27 watts. Yes, that is the maximum 27 watts and 20 volts. And many of you are asking me about this Type-C tester. And to mention, if you want to check the products, you must visit the description below. There you will find the links. I got many comments where you are asking where is the product link. In the description below this video. So basically it have a input and output, so you can monitor the voltage, the amperes and the watts. And right now it's not working because there is nothing out on the output, but take a look. Oh, what it says, 15 volts. Also you can monitor the maximum, the minimum volts, watts, amperes, the time, the milliampere hours. But right now we're gonna monitor the voltage and the current and the watts. And using this dip switch you can select your desired output voltage. Okay, so it have a couple of combination of this dip switch, so you can choose your output voltage. Right now is set on 5 volts. Yes, I triggered the charger to give 5 volts, and let's go to 9 volts. All going down. Yes, the output voltage is 9 volt, and for 12 volts I need to switch this up. Can you see? 12 volts output, 15 volts. It should go this up, I think. Yes, the output voltage right now is 15 volts. And let's see the 20 volts. This one going down. Yes, the output voltage right now is 20 volts, and I trigger the charger to give 20 volts using this PD trigger that can handle maximum 100 watts. Remember that. I need to say thanks to all of you who support my work with my coffee page, where you can send me 1 coffee or be a monthly subscriber, and you will support my channel every month so I can produce more content and enjoy in coffees. Thank you for that. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. Okay. Here it is, my setup, where I have the electronic load 35 watts. This is the maximum. I have the Type-C tester or meter where I can monitor the voltage, the watts and the amperes, and the PD trigger to select the output voltage. And right now is set on 20 volts. Yes, and using my electronic load I will test this device right now is set on 0.9 amperes, but it's not running. I need to push this button and we can monitor. Take a look. Now it's pulling 900 milliamperes. It's shown the same on the electronic load and on the tester, and I'm gonna increase the, let's go to 1 point, how much? 1.3, 1.4, and we are getting, yes, we are at 27 watts. The voltage is 20 volts, 1.3 amperes on the electronic load. Says 19.88 and is delivering 27 watts. Isn't that nice? I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna set the output voltage, let's say to how much? To 12 volts. Let's go to 12 volts. 12 volts. Beautiful. I'm gonna set again. We are pulling now 1.3 amperes, 16 watts. I'm gonna increase, but the voltage is 12 volts. Let's go again to 27 watts, but how many amperes? Come on. And yes, we have 27 watts, but we are pulling around 2.3 amperes at 12 volts. This thing is working great and I love it, and it's cheap. The link for all products you will find in description below. Remember that, for all products that I review in my videos. Power off. Okay. Let's remove it. Okay, now the mystery box. Let's see what we got in this package. Oh, what are these? Take a look. 5 pieces, flexible LED filament that works on 3 volts, COP diode, DIY Edison bulb, and you can choose whatever color you want. Pink, green, blue, red, warm white, and there are different sizes, 40 mm, 60, 80, and I have ordered 130 mm, 5 pieces, pink, and the price it starts from $1.5 for 5 pieces. Also the link you will find in description below, so you can check it. Also they come with some kind of instructions where it says that works on 3 volts and how to identify which one is positive, which one is negative point on the LED. I'm gonna show to you right now. Okay, take a look. It's flexible and the one side is positive, the other side is negative. The side with the hole, the small hole that you can see, it's positive and the other is negative. It says that it's working on 3 volts and I can see a micro LEDs inside. I don't know how many are inside, maybe 20, 30, I don't know. My power supply is set on 3 volts and I'm gonna hook up and see how it lights. Wow! Wow! Super bright and super color. This one is pink. Take a look. Wow! I need to kill the light so you can see better. Wait. Take a look! And I like it because it's flexible. Wow! And this thing with 130 millimeters It's pulling around 700 milliamperes. That is 2 watts at 3 volts. And I'm gonna adjust the voltage to how many? Oh, at 2.5 volts it's pulling 30 milliamperes. Nice. Let's increase a little bit. Okay. Isn't that good? You can make a crazy DIY project using these LED filaments, flexible LED filaments. And I got five of them. I needed to order more colors. Now I need to wait another week or so. Okay. Beautiful. Wow. I love them. Okay. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel because I am uploading new videos every day. Remember that. See ya! Flexible.